So I'm just, as you can see, I haven't actually got it blasted yet, but I'm just going to finish off those last welds on the underside there, on the other side of those extra pipe nipples I put in. Right, I'm not going to film me just doing those last joints in there, because I've done that loads of times and there's not much to show really. So just a quick update really. I've had the grip blasting guy has been around, he's had a look, said it's going to be okay. I'm going to have to get the boat out, or hull out of the workshop, and take it down to his place where he's going to do it. I haven't heard when he's actually going to do it yet, so I'm not quite sure. But in the meantime, I've got to cover over all of these little bits and bobs now that I don't want to be blasted. So for example, for this this hull penetrator, I want the whole thing blasting apart from that face. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get some washers, and I'm just going to put a nut and bolt through and blank it off. It's pretty much everything can be blasted. It's just like these threads, obviously I don't want those blasting. Now what you do with them is you cover them over with a piece of inner tube. Things like this can all be blasted. Everything's to be blasted. That needs to be covered up with a piece of rubber inner tube. What else have I got? Oh yeah, that bar at the front for the drop weights, have it blasted up to about there, and then the rest of it can be stainless steel, so I have to cover it up. He's going to grip blast, and he's going to put a coat of primer on for me, and I'm hoping that's going to be done in the next couple of weeks. So that's just a quick update of where I am. So I suppose in the meantime I can carry on with this. It's been a bit of a while since I put a coat on, so I'm going to have to sand it down quite hard.
Take it to the washing basket. Go on, wash your basket.